This is the sitting area of the house. We have a TV area over there, beautiful couch. Look at that. On the far end, we have a kitchen area, rest bar. Look at that. This is the kitchen area. I love the lighting. Look at that. Few cabinets. We have smoke extractor. Looks pretty nice. Look at that. Let me take you to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Look at that. We have a closet on this side. And a shower area. Two big windows. It looks really nice. This is the shower area. Pretty neat. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys.